I'm Dobyns Rods Pro Clark Reehm, fresh off the MLF Pro Circuit event at Lake Eufaula. The primary patterns and rods I was using at this event was using a DC 704 CB with a Megabass Vision 110 jerkbaiting docks, where I was trying to target the fish that were coming off of the walkway pilings as the water was dropping. A lot of those fish have been spawning on those pilings still, some of the late spawners. And so by moving aggressively, jerk baiting the outside edge of those docks, I was able to target those fish that were sitting on the outside because the water was dropping. The other pattern I had was I was targeting fry garters and a few spawning fish left, and I was throwing a DC 744 CB with a swim jig, trying to just cover water with that. And lastly, I caught them on a Yellow Magic throwing a 685 CB, which is a great little rod for smaller top waters, pop-ars, and things like that. You know, and whenever I'd see a fry garter, I'd actually pitch that bait at it, and you know, typically I'd catch it whenever I'd see one.
What's up, guys? Ryan Salzman, Dobyns Pro. Just finished up Eufaula. I think I'll be right outside the cut, but some key rods of choice for me this week. I caught the majority of my fish the first day on a spinnerbait, and I threw the Dobyns Champion Extreme 743, and this rod for chatterbaits and spinnerbaits is bar none the best rod on the market. So if you haven't checked that out, check that rod out. And then also caught a lot of frogfish this week, caught a couple key fish, including a 4-pounder today on this rod. This is the Boom Boom Dobyns Champion Series, and it's a custom line of rods from Fred Rambanis. Definitely give it a look. I use this for mat fish and skipping trees.
Hey, Bradford Beavers here, Dobyns Rods Pro. Just got done with Eufaula. My main deal was fishing brush piles offshore, so I just threw an old monster, 3/8 ounce weight, and the rod I used for it was the Dobyns Ecstasy 755C. This rod is so sensitive. I mean, you're not gonna miss a bite. You feel everything, every limb in that brush pile. It's unbelievable how sensitive this is. But this was really my main deal for the week, and if you're looking for a sensitive rod to fish deep brush piles in, you definitely need to check out the Ecstasy series, and 755C is a great one.